Good morning, students of class 10. You are welcome back to the e-classes now. Let's continue our lesson in history. So, the nationalist movement in Indochina. We are doing this chapter and we have reached the subtitle 2.1 Talking Modern. So, that is from page 34-35, Talking Modern. So, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The French considered that the Vietnamese are backward and it is their mission to civilize them. That's why they introduce talking modern, looking modern, and we have learned about the medium of instruction, French, and many policy makers or think tanks, they discuss, they argue, they provided two different opinions. One, the French language must be considered as the medium of instruction, and the other opinion was that junior classes there Vietnamese must be taught and the senior classes French must be taught. So that were the two opinions. Now here, number one, the school textbooks glorified means praised the French and justified colonial rule. The textbook, the Vietnamese student, they used to read the textbook in the school, in the French school, and the textbook glorified the French rule and justified also. They glorified the French, that French are superior, and justified colonial. So that was their, according to their textbook. Number two, the Vietnamese were represented as, the Vietnamese were considered as, they were considered as primitive and backward. These Vietnamese people, native people of Vietnam are backward, primitive, capable of manual labor only. They are capable of manual labor, but not of intellectual reflection. They cannot use their head. They are made to work in the field. So the Vietnamese thought as the French thought in this way about Vietnamese. Now the Vietnamese could work in the field but not to rule themselves. So what the French thought about Vietnamese? They had these ideas that Vietnamese could work in the field but they cannot rule themselves. They have no idea. They are backward, primitive. They were skilled copyists. They can copy but they cannot use their head and work. They were skilled copyists but not creative. They are not creative. They copy. They do not use their head. So the French thought these about the Vietnamese. School children were told this. In the school, the children were told that only French rule could bring or ensure peace in Vietnam. So in the school, the children were taught that French rule could bring peace in Vietnam. It ensured peace in Vietnam. So the textbook glorified the French, and the French had various ideas about the Vietnamese people. So since the school children were taught all these things, since the establishment of French rule, establishment and setting up of French rule, since the establishment of French rule, the Vietnamese peasants, the people of Vietnam, no longer live in fear, constant fear, terror. They do not have to live in fear because French are there, they are powerful, they have soldiers, they have troops, they have policemen. So peasants no longer live in constant terror or pirates. Pirate means sea robbers. Sea robbers used to come there and they used to rob their traders, and they do not have to live in fear because of the French rule. They justified the French rule, the textbook justified these colonial rules. Now here, calm is complete. Calm is complete and peasants can work in peace. Now because of the French rule, there is calm and peace and the peasants can work in peace in their fields. So in this way, the textbook justified the French rule and glorified the French rule. So in this way, the children were brainwashed, and ultimately they had to adopt French culture, French language, and in this way. So that was one of the policy of the French. But anyway, they try to educate the people. They try to civilize them. So now let us see, to be continued, 2.2 in our next class. Looking modern. Now we will talk about looking modern in the schools. We'll talk about the Tonkin schools. Looking modern, to be continued. But it had some reactions from the Vietnamese people as well. There were some reactions. We'll talk about that later on. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening and watching attentively. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lessons. Thank you very much.